Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking's 12 Cocktails of Christmas. Today, we are doing the Wake Up Cocktail. All right, it's the Peppermint Espresso Martini. Yes. We're gonna do 1 part vodka, 1 part peppermint liqueur, half part coffee liqueur, 1 part espresso, a little bit of simple syrup. It's so exciting. We use a Seiko automatic espresso martini, or espresso maker. Yes, it doesn't make martinis automatically. That would be awesome. Nice shot of espresso. Look at that crema. Oh my gosh. It's peppermint schnapps. A touch might be good here. Ooh, excited. Out it comes. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. So tasty. And we'll see you on the next one.